If you have Vivo Y39 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy, select device unlocking and then select fingerprint. Now firstly you have to set your screen lock, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part. Otherwise select pattern, pin or password. Here I'm selecting pattern, draw your pattern, click on next and then confirm your pattern. Now set how you want to show your notification on your lock screen. Here I'm selecting never show and then click on done. Click on start enrollment and then click on agree. Now place your finger or thumb on the sensor like this and then keep on tapping until it completely captures your fingerprint. Keep on adjusting the edges or different part of your fingerprint so that it can completely scan your fingerprint. After this, click on done. And now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint like this.